Whoa. Can I get more monitors? Upstairs in my room, bored out of my mind. There's just nothing left to do, and the radio plays everything but the new song that's in my head. I'm bouncing off the walls, ready to go again. I'm stuck in imagining the last reality, wishing the daydreams are real. Trapped in a fantasy where I really wanna be, flying head over heels. Soaring over a mountaintop, I wanna go step there, won't stop. Far away from ordinary things. Rainbow traveling, just a place to spread my wings. Anywhere but stuck inside my room.
You better put this on your screen. Huh? You better put this on